Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, this video is for PT1 examination activity. Now, this activity is of total 10 marks. And this is for class 7, subject science. Now, let me tell you what you have to do in this activity. In class 7, as we know, the PT1 syllabus is chapter number 1, nutrition in plants, chapter number 3, fiber to fabric, and chapter number 4, heat is there. So total physics, chemistry and biology, like this way 3 chapters are there. We have selected chapter number 4 for the activity. In that, what you have to do? You have to answer the question of given topic. Okay, that you have to do. Now let's see what is the question and what things you required for this activity. In this activity, the question is explain land breeze and sea breeze with the help of diagram. This is the question. This is the activity question. So, for performing this activity, what things do you require? So, you require 2 things. First is paper, which is from your notebook only. You can take any notebook. Just pick the pin page from that for the activity. And second things you required is colors. Okay, the pencil colors you have, that you have to use for coloring the diagram of land breeze and sea breeze. Okay, now let's see how you have to perform the activity. Now let me show you how you have to write the activity in the paper. Firstly, you have to take your any notebook, okay, and just pick the page from the stapler. Then you have to mention your name, class and section, roll number and subject science PT1 activity. Like this way you have to write your information in the header. Then you have to copy the question, explain land breeze and sea breeze with the help of diagram. And then you have to draw very neat diagram of land breeze and sea breeze, and then after you have to write the explanation. Now it is your choice first to draw land breeze and write about land breeze, or you can do second thing, first to draw both diagram and then explanation is also okay. Okay, so choice is yours. So I hope you understood what you have to do in the science activity. Okay, and you have to do this activity before PT1 examination. Okay, if you still have any doubt, then you can ask me in comment section. I will resolve it as soon as possible. Have a nice day. Bye.